You haven't even unloaded my sled yet.
Hey, you're my bitch now.
There. The cuffs on these fit over the gloves way better than my other suit. Bam. Alright, today we are going out with Jerry, my brother, we'll call him Snash, and we got Cowboy with us too. Just going up Boulder Mountain. I hear it's crazy busy up there today, and the parking lot was already full at 9 o'clock. So we're riding right from the cabin. Originally I wasn't even going to ride today, but here we are. Today we are wearing the Allied mono suit. Been wearing the Ether toothpiece the last couple days. I've seen quite a few comments on people asking me why I switched back to the two-piece, but yeah, I'm just gonna run both, switch back and forth. I don't think one is necessarily better than the other. How's it going today? Pretty good. Thank you. For those of you who don't know, this is your trail pass.
Oh, that's a pretty good idea.
Yeah, it works pretty well. And then I can put my jerry can right up here too.
You haven't patented that yet?
Somebody called JDS Customs makes that bottom mount. Snow's getting a little drier. We're below freezing anyway, I think. Right around the 0 mark. Celsius. We seem to have lost... Wow, I can't talk. We seem to have lost the guys already. I guess I'll tighten up my track a little more in the meantime, because I forgot to do that yesterday. Whoa. Not sure what happened to the snow from the other day, but it's feeling a lot different here. I think it must have set up quite a bit before it got warm up here, but still good. Where do you guys want to go?
Spot with the big, like down over like a little bank on that side. Like there was a big pole on the other side.
I don't really know what you're talking.
I guess I don't know how to describe it. Like there was past the cabin with the birds, drop down a little bit over there, like you drop down, and we sat at the bottom. We did a bunch of poles and took some videos.
That's a different mountain.
That's Boulder, is it not?
No, that was Frisbee.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Holy, I'm just gonna follow you. How about that?
Lots of turbo experts up here this year. I think that was the spring order of choice. We're gonna try and get out of the sea of people here and into some untouched snow back here. We'll just do a typical tour that we usually do up here. Since it's Jerry's first day in Smash, we'll get them warmed up. Hopefully they're not as rusty as I was day one. Blade is super flat, I can't see anything.
Think we make it. I'm just gonna do a quick roll.
Sounds like they're rolling over already. Oh. This comes out from under itself a lot easier with that extra power, but I think I'm gonna be stuck here now. This thing's fun. Crawls right out of its own hole.
I'm not stuck, but I don't want to get stuck.
Same with me right there.
Yeah.
See how it just crawls out and like whips around?
crazy how it goes.
Well, you got the same thing.
I know.
Do you see Jason?
No.
I'll go look for him. Oh, I see him. Good?
Yeah, I can't figure out how to shift my weight down the hill.
Try and keep your feet farther forward. You could use your 1 foot to kind of push off the hill to push you down too.
Oh, I don't go.
Tired or something?
Out of shape.
Come on, you're the athletic guy that's always working out. You should be in shape. Hey Jason. Jason. There's a tree there.
Hey, that's what we did, Dale.
So Nova's looking upward, so we're gonna go back downhill and then take another run in a different way, see if we get the guys a little more screwed up. I don't remember if I could go down this way, to be totally honest here. It's worth mentioning the avalanche danger is also high in the Alpine, so we're gonna just kind of take it easy in the trees. And I mean, the Alpine, you're not going to see anything up there anyway. Doesn't mean there's not dangers in areas like this. Like even this little hill here could slide and bury you in the bottom here. So
Jason's probably shitting when you get
I think he's nervous. And now he sees a big hole. He's like, uh-oh. Oh, jeez. Sure. I don't know if I could get up there, but oh man, so many tracks in here. Usually there'd never be any willows in here. So weird. I think we'll be testing the guy's skill a little more in here because it gets pretty steep down there. I know it looks like nothing on the camera, as always. Jason's so strong, but he totally overrides the snowmobile. On a 154 turbo. I missed your hero moment at the bottom.
Does that ever pull?
Ah, this thing makes it way too easy to do a hop over. First hop over of the year. So different with all these willows. And I think the snow gets a lot thinner down here. Usually this would be a nice boulder garden to kind of play in through here, but I'm a little bit too scared. So I've never actually been this far into this zone here before, but since there was tracks in the other part we were in, it kind of just forced me to go another route. And I've always kind of wanted to go through here, I just haven't really had a reason to. I would like to connect this to another spot. We'll leave that for another day. What kind of vegan slop do you got today?
We got the soup.
What do you got, Jason?
Got a peanut butter sandwich on a herb and garlic bagel.
That's interesting.
What do you have, Matt?
What do I have?
far?
I had a Red Bull. My mountain diet is off to a great start this year.
There's soup on the stove.
Jason, you didn't even throw it on the muffler, the panini press.
Sweet and simple. Want a bite?
Holy crap! That's a lot of power. I'm way overdoing my hop over to where I got flung way up the hill. It's funny. Spent. You almost had it! You can't just fly around out of control, man. What happens if there's a tree right there?
You're gonna be sore tonight. You gotta be careful jumping, Jason. We're not trying to make
He wasn't jumping. He couldn't stop.
Oh.
He likes to do that thing that Doug does, where he goes uphill as high as he can, and then comes back down wherever the sled points him. I'm not sure if he looked at me while he was up there. And
No, that's exactly what happened.
I thought you were trying to do that on purpose.
No, I didn't know Matthew was going to be on that part of the wall, and I looked right at him.
That's not what I wanted. We might have trouble getting out of here now. Definitely didn't make them a nice trail. Let's go, Jerry!
Oh, yeah.
Better than me! Nice!
Oh, yeah.
Now we got Smash! I can hear him amping himself up. He's like, ugh! Whew. Ah!
Muskoka Freerider, what's going on? Oh.
Oh, I'm just taking a little break.
Okay.
Working hard, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Downhill stuck, eh?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. Just checking.
Sick.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. We're gonna put our limiter strap to short here for a bit. Test it out. Keep the skis down. And this might be the perfect spot right here for it. I can't believe how much more the skis are planted just with that little adjustment. And there's a couple questions people asking if my gauge is in kilometers an hour. Yes, it is. Oh, I'm not really sure how I even changed this, but now it shows my altitude instead of my belt temperature. Got 120 kilometers on the sled. Oh, nice. Nice stump in your trail.
1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, you're going now.
Is this a 22?
Yeah. Oh yeah, fly right out of there.
Jason, go through the next set. You gotta push it downhill when you're pinning and wiggling.
Okay.
Let me try the sled for a minute. Don't really have anywhere great to test out the G4 here because we got a lot of tracks, but honestly it feels really capable. And it feels lighter than the G5, honestly, for sure. This is a non-turbo, so that's kind of where the weight is, but we'll have to test it out another day and some more open stuff, but I do like the feel of this still, I'm not gonna lie. It'd be interesting to try a G5 non-turbo. I'll have to try Dallas's one day.
Not bad.
I still like that. I don't know that it's, I mean, probably like this more, it's got more power, but that feels lighter.
I definitely liked it better than the 164 I rode last year.
Yeah? Even though the one you rode last year had a turbo?
Yeah. I don't know, I don't think I'm good enough rider to need a turbo.
I mean, there's some logic there, but I'm filming like you.
Was it?
No, I didn't look. How'd you like the Turbo R?
I love the power. Still getting used to the handling.
Are you gonna take the non-turbo out? Or I guess you can't because that's Jason's snowmobile.
Oh, we'll switch it up. I'm just afraid of him riding mine.
I would be too.
Yeah, exactly.